Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to download Star Citizen. So the first thing that you need to do is visit the official Star Citizen website. You need to go to the robertspaceindustriescom and click on the play button. And after that, you can create an account. So if you don't have an account already, click on the Enlist Now button and fill out the required information to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Next one is to choose a game package. So once you're logged in, you'll be presented with different game packages to choose from, and then select the package that suits your preferences and click on Add to Cart. Then you need to review your order. Check the details of your selected packages and make sure that everything is correct. You can also add any additional items or upgrades if desired. So once you're satisfied, just click on the checkout and then complete the purchase. So follow the instructions to complete the purchase process. You may be required to provide payment information and confirm the order. And then you need to assess your account. So after completing the purchase, go back to the Star Citizen website and log into your account and then download the game installer. So once logged in, click on My RSI at the top right corner of the website, and from the drop down menu, select on My Hangar. On the next page, you'll see the list of your purchased items. So locate your game package and click on the download button to start downloading the game installer. Next one is to install the game. So once the download is complete, run the installer and follow on the screen instructions to install Star Citizen on your computer. And remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video to follow the processes at your own pace. And please note that Star Citizen is a large game and the download size can be significant. So make sure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient disk space available before starting the download. Also, keep in mind that Star Citizen is still in development, so there may be frequent updates and patches to download and install as the game evolves. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.